What if we told you that the creamy coconut milk you pour into your curry or smoothie starts its journey inside a massive industrial factory where thousands of coconuts are transformed every single day? From rough, hard-shelled coconuts to smooth, rich, and delicious coconut milk packed in cartons ready for your kitchen. Today, we're taking you inside the factory to reveal the full hidden process. Stay with us because what you're about to see is something most people never get the chance to witness. Welcome back to Process Insight. In today's video, we're stepping inside a modern coconut processing factory to explore how raw coconuts are transformed into the coconut milk we all love. We'll walk you through every stage, from husking and splitting to extraction, pressing, pasteurization, and final packaging. This is not just food processing, this is industrial precision, hygiene, and technology working together. Let's begin. Everything starts outside the factory. Fresh coconuts arrive in bulk from tropical farms, usually still in their thick outer husk. Once delivered, workers and machines begin the first step, sorting. Each coconut is inspected carefully. Size, consistency, weight, quality, no cracks or spoilage. Only the best coconuts move forward in the process. Lower quality ones are removed immediately to maintain premium production standards. This strict selection is what ensures the final coconut milk is rich, pure, and consistent in taste. Now we enter one of the most intense stages, husking. Each coconut has a thick, fibrous outer layer that must be removed. High-speed husking machines or skilled workers peel away the rough shell, revealing the inner hard coconut. It may look simple, but this stage requires precision because damaging the inner shell can reduce yield. What remains is the clean, hard coconut ready for processing. Next comes splitting the coconut. Industrial blades or automated cutters crack open the coconut shell. As soon as it opens, fresh coconut water is collected separately. This coconut water is often filtered and stored, sometimes used for beverages or supplements. Meanwhile, the white coconut meat is carefully extracted for the next stage. Now we focus on the real treasure, coconut meat. The white flesh is removed using mechanical scrapers, but it's not ready yet. The meat goes through washing systems, sterilized cleaning tanks, and quality inspection belts. This ensures that every piece is clean, safe, and free from impurities. At this stage, everything is handled under strict food safety standards. Now the transformation begins. Clean coconut meat enters industrial grinders where it is shredded into fine pieces. These pieces are then turned into a thick coconut paste using high-powered pulping machines. This paste is where the flavor and richness of coconut milk truly begins to develop. The smell is natural, fresh, and intensely tropical at this stage. Now comes the most important stage, pressing. The coconut meat is placed into hydraulic or screw presses. Under strong pressure, the natural coconut milk is extracted. Two layers form: thick coconut cream, high fat content, and lighter coconut milk. Both are separated depending on product requirements. This is the moment where solid coconut turns into liquid gold. The extracted milk is not ready yet. It passes through multiple filtration systems, fine mesh filters, microfiltration units, and impurity removal systems. This ensures smooth texture, no residue, and clean consistency. At this stage, the milk becomes silky, pure, and ready for further processing. Now the coconut milk enters a critical safety stage, pasteurization. It is gently heated at controlled temperatures to kill harmful bacteria, extend shelf life, and preserve taste and nutrients. The key here is balance. Too much heat can ruin flavor, too little can affect safety. Modern factories use automated temperature-controlled systems to ensure perfect results every time. To maintain consistency, the milk goes through homogenization. This process breaks down fat particles so they don't separate.
Without this step, coconut milk would split into layers. Thanks to this technology, every carton you buy looks smooth and uniform. Now we reach the final stage. The coconut milk is filled into sterilized containers, sealed in airtight packaging, and labeled with batch details. Everything is done in a hygienic, automated environment. Machines work at high speed, ensuring thousands of cartons are packed per hour. Each pack is carefully checked before leaving the factory. Before distribution, random samples are tested for taste, texture, safety standards, and shelf life stability. Only approved batches are released to the market. This ensures that what reaches your kitchen is always safe, fresh, and high quality. And that is the complete journey of how raw coconuts are transformed into delicious coconut milk inside a modern factory. From rough husks to creamy perfection, every step is a combination of nature and advanced technology. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory process, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Process Insight for more amazing industrial journeys like this. Because the world around you is full of hidden processes, and we're here to show you how things are really made. See you in the next video.